So guys, there is a certain terminologies also used in your infrastructure maintenance and in a service test and service operations kind of stuff. Okay. So what are those terminologies? We already discussed about a ticket, different types of tickets, right? So here is, we'll see this. Event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, service request, and stuff. Not only these terminologies, there's several terminologies we use in a IT infrastructure management. What is a event? So here it is, I given a straightforward sentences. Then I will going to explain each and everything. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence that significance for IT infrastructure. Something unusual is happened. For example, you paid an amount. Okay. So transaction successful you will get now. So you scan the QR code and then you type the amount and okay, bank completed. So transaction successful. Sometimes transaction failed. Sometimes transaction like insufficient balance kind of stuff. So whatsoever it is an event. So in a log servers, it is these events will be recorded. So some unusual thing is happen. Okay. So my system is running since morning. Almost I reached here by 9:40, around 9:40 or 9. Almost I started my laptop at 9:40 only. Okay. So I came to here by 9:35. So 9:35, 9:38. So then I turn on my laptop. Okay. So since then, my system is running. It's not an event. I turn on my laptop, that is event. And my system is running, it is not an event. For example, my system is restarted, it is an event. Okay. So I connected a disk or maybe I connected a pen drive, I connected to internet. So that is an event. I'm unable to get internet, that is event. Okay. My network is disconnected, that is an event. Okay. So like that, my 100% charging full, that is event. No charging, event. 10% only there, it is event. Warnings, errors, information, all these are events only. Okay. Any unusual or things are happen, okay, or certain changes happen, that is also comes under event. So the notification of that information. Any detectable occurrence that has a significance for IT infrastructure management. What is a warning? So when you are monitoring, so how these events will we can able to get it? You have a infrastructure means you have a servers, routers, switches, storage devices, okay, different types of servers like a database server, authentication server, name servers, okay, web servers, mail servers, storage devices, okay, different type of storage devices we have, okay, networking devices, switches, routers, firewalls, all these things. We monitor all these things. So how the infrastructure is going on from our place. Okay. Any changes occur. For example, this server is up. A event will be generated. Event shows the server is up and running. This storage device, hard disk, okay, it is full. The event will be generated. Hard disk is full. So we can able to see from the monitoring. Okay. A disk is failed. A network is failed. So that is also notifies in the, this is to check what happened. But what is this alert? For example, a disk is full or maybe a network is down or maybe a server is down. So that alert is will give a notification. Okay, so like a red color alerts will be there, so we can see. So this is the alert. So server is down, go and check it. Storage is down, go and check it. There is a warning. Warning is generated. So please verify this. Is disk about to fill, so you cannot able to store more data in it. So you have to take care of it. Okay, that is an alert. Any warning or a threshold has been reached. Okay, something has changed or failure is occurred. A alert is generated. Alert is like a notification. Okay, it's not a successful notification. Mainly warning or error notifications, that is comes under alert. Alerts and alarms also we can say, because it alert you to do certain action, so then issue cannot be impact on the more services, more customer bases. What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services. Unplanned interruptions. Server is down, service is down, disk is down, the data cannot able to access. Okay, unplanned interruption is called a IT incident. Guys, event and alert one part, incident, workaround, problem, changes. These are all another part kind of stuff. Okay. What is workaround? Any issues occur. So for example, the printer is not working. It is an incident. Printer is not working. So you are trying to take a printout, the print is not coming. Printer is not working. It is incident. What the people will do it? They will send a person to go and check it. They'll go and check it and try to resolve the issues. That is called a workaround. Any issues occur, we started solving the issues, different solutions. We'll try to make it till the issue is resolved. That is called a workaround. What is in a workaround? Any incident is happen. Any incident is happen means any issues occurs. People try to resolve the issues. People go and try to resolve the issues. Okay. So we'll with the different ways we will try to resolve the issue. Once issue till the issue is resolved. So that is the called is workaround. Temporary way to overcome the issues. Okay. Because the service always available. That is the main aim of the organization. Problem, unknown root cause of one or more instance. There is another part of problem management is there. That is also I will tell. But here it is unknown root cause of one or more incidents. So there is incident is occur. Okay. Finding of root cause of that incident. Incident is occur, we'll go and resolve it. But what is the problem management? It is finding out what is the root cause of it and maintaining your infrastructure regularly. And when any incident is occur, also you have to try to do some preventive measures. So then issues should not be repeated. So these are all comes under problem management. Change, standard change. Okay, what is the standard changes to resolve certain sometimes issues? Okay, what is a change? For example, I want to upgrade my server, or I want to upgrade my laptop, upgrade my network connectivities. I want to update my application. I want to update my operating system. Upgradations, updations, replacements. Okay, some standard change of services called a change. For example, I have a server and it contains 16 GB RAM of server is there. Okay, now I feel it is very slow. Then I want to upgrade the RAM capacity of a server to 32 GB. That is simply change. Maybe a server is down because of the disk failure. I want to replace the disk. That is also comes under change management. there is a application code is working, and there is an issue with that code. So people has to be change the code. Maybe they're in database server, so they have to change some table structure. So that is also comes under change management. So updations, upgradations, replacements, or sometimes it is casual changes for giving better performance to resolve certain issues. We do the change management. Service request. What is a service request? So service request from the user, it is like for user information or maybe for an advice, maybe ask for some changes or maybe access to IT services. For example, I want a network printer access. I want a VPN access. I want a internet access. I want to connect to my Wi-Fi router. Okay. So this is, I will request service request are there. Guys understand? Got these names: event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, and service request.
Sir, can you explain the event again? I was not there.
Which one?
Event.
Okay, now, so anyway, we are going to event. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence that's significant for a IT infrastructure. Okay. So, for example, I am taking a backup. Backup is successful. Okay. So, it is event. So, you're taking a backup and your backup storage location is full. Then it shows some error, right? So, it's a generate warning. So, your backup location is full. That is also an event. Backup is failed. Some issues occur. Backup is got failed. So that is also an event. So it can be like a transaction successful, failure, errors, backup successful, server down or server up, server is online, internet is online, okay, internet is down, disk is online, disk is full, memory full, server busy. These are all events only. Okay, so you attend a new person is joined into the class event. Two people left from the class. That is also an event. Okay, so these events are generally categorized as a three types, but add a one type. Why? Because of certain places. This also mentioned. What is information? Information type of events are usually successful events. Transaction successful, disk is online, internet online, internet is back online, internet is disconnected, now internet is working. That is an event. Earlier it is internet is not working, now it is working. That is also an event. Information. Disk is online. Okay. Okay. Transaction successful. Backup successful. These are all information. What is a warning? Warning is like a threshold type, means memory full, server is busy, disk is full. Okay. So internet is busy. Okay. Network slowdown. These are all warnings only. What is a error or a critical kind of stuff? Generally, failure related, transaction failure, transaction errors, transaction failure, backup failures, server is down, network is down, or network is disconnected, internet is not connecting. Okay, so usually the errors and criticals comes under this failure kind of stuff. Any detectable occurrence that's significant change happening when monitoring, put that information into event. So when you are monitoring your infrastructure, so obviously I'm sharing one link. Okay. So what is this link? It is a demo op manager link. What is this demo op manager link? I will going to show you this. Okay, so you can see login as a operator, login as a administrator. Simply click on login as a administrator. So they can you, this is a kind of monitoring tool, guys. This op manager is a one kind of, again, they change the interface. Okay, good. It is looking a little bit better than earlier. Okay. This is a op manager is an application actually monitors your infrastructure. The infrastructure monitoring not only in a local organization in globally, it will monitor. Okay. So you can see there is a certain things are in a green color, some are showing yellow color, some are green color, red color kind of stuff. I'll go to the green color. See, yeah, it is a status is showing clear. Okay, this is the firewall status is clear, but this is having some critical. See, there is some router having some critical, but this is working good. Okay, again, this is in a critical situations. There is in a trouble situations. Each indicates with a different colors for a easy to understand. Okay, so this is a branch office. Location is we don't know where is the location of branch office. South Plaza 003. This is branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, branch 4. So they change entire infrastructure part. Okay. Device down are nothing. No devices are down. Problematic devices are there. 57 devices having a problematic out of 112. The critical 128, trouble is 71, attention requirement is 79, service down is 135. So we received active alarms. Alerts are 143 out of 112 devices. Okay. So we received 143 means so many things we received. See it is the green color means the issue is resolved. Okay. Issue is resolved. Checkpoint servers are good. Okay, but this is having some issues. See, up and down statuses are there. This is called a heat map. Okay, so cleared earlier issues are there. 53 issues are cleared. 112 issues. After that one, 53 are cleared. Trouble still 8 are there. Attention required is 10 is there. Critical situation 39 are there. Guys, these are different devices. It is down since the time it is given. These devices are not working since this particular time. Interface down, connectivity of the devices. And this is again the layer 2 mapping. Okay. Bandwidth utilization. Okay, how much network bandwidth utilization? See, it is very high bandwidth utilization. These are a optimal range of bandwidth utilization. The change interface, that's the problem. Earlier it is, I will easily see infrastructure tree organizations. Here, different company names. For example, I go to routers. I have two routers. Both are in a critical situation only. Okay. So from this one, I can understand what is going on with my organization. What are the issues are occur? What issues are resolved? What issues still it is there? So I can able to get this. So it is Cisco memory utilization 74%. Expected value should for this monitor is 58. The current adaptive threshold is 73. Okay, so there is an issue. So what it is, I will send this information to service desk. So people who are related to that Cisco maintenance kind of stuff, they should go and check it. What happened? Why it is so much of load on the single router? So maybe they're required to configure some load balancer or a failover kind of stuff. They will go for it. See, tape price, no issues. Both are working good. You can see the inventory. What are the devices are there? Okay. What are the devices are there? So how many desktops are there? One desktop is clear. One desktop is attention is required and another desktop is unmanageable desktop. domain controllers, two domain controllers, one domain controller server is, one server is the critical, another server is attention requirement is there. So you can go to the subtree. So about that server information, okay, how many virtual machines are running in the same server, how many data stores are there, entire information you can able to see, guys. So this is one kind of monitoring. Yeah, all devices. Okay, see, these are the networking devices. These are the networking devices, both routers and switches, firewalls kind of stuff. I will go to the routers part. These two are routers. These are the switches. So I can able to see what is the status of the different switches also. Wireless devices, how many are there? Yeah, these are all wireless devices that are having problem with it. Okay. The point what I'm trying to show is the op manager is a one kind of monitoring tool. It monitors, okay, entire your global infrastructure. And you can able to see your entire global infrastructure from simple single dashboard. So you can understand the what are the devices status, networking devices, servers, applications, okay, um, different based on the vendor wise, based on the device type, based on the vendor's type, what is the server utilization, status of the server, network status, networking devices status, and their utilization. So we can able to view it and understand how it is function. If any issue is there, any errors are occur, any alerts are occur, immediately we have to send a person or maybe try to resolve the issues. Okay, so that is the importance of monitoring. Guys, understand op manager? Guys, what is op manager? It is a kind of monitoring tool used to monitor your total infrastructure about your servers, storage devices, networking components, firewalls, applications. It will monitor. It generates events, depends upon your status and function of your infrastructure. Okay. What happened? You didn't get anything? Understand or misunderstand? Ajit, Akash, Aman, Amir.
Yes, sir. Understandable. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't get it also, no problem, guys. You can ask me. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
what is this demo opmanager.com? What actually it is?
Actually, we do not have this application in our premises, right? So this op manager organization providing a demo link, demo dashboard. Okay, so which is how the real time infrastructure and the events, the monitoring is look like. So they are providing with this demo link. So we can see and understand what are the different options, what are the alarms, what are the devices are there, how it is look like. Okay. So simply this is a business view, regional offices, 26 are there. If you put it like this, This is a layout, but actually it has to
Sir,
be
does
shown.
sir does every organization has their software like this?
Yeah,
Personal
very
computer
good.
like this.
Yes. Every organization maintaining their infrastructure means there must have a proper monitoring tool. Okay. So they will go into monitor. For example, in Hyderabad, we have a servers. In New Jersey, we have a servers. Exton, we have a servers. So what the people will do it? So people sit one and one monitoring tool. So they monitor the functionality of our firewalls, our functionality of status of our servers. Okay, and how they were communicating the WAN connectivities, firewall connectivities, server statuses, server busy, server not busy, virtual machines are running in a server. So that is also they will going to be monitored. This is like global view of the infrastructure. Region 1, region 2, and there is a branch office, and there is another branch offices in another regions. Okay. These are the different types of devices and their status. Interface, health summary. This is a heat map. So how many issues are occur, how many are resolved, how many are still in a critical position, kind of stuff. Clear is 53. So trouble is 8. Which device are having a trouble? So I can able to connect or I can able to try to resolve it. See storage, fan status, monitor, hardware, online one. So you can see. So different events are generated. Is working, not working, clear, attention, like this. Root cause analysis, workflow, not, nothing is there. Okay, but you can see this. This is storage related kind of stuff. These are all active alarms. 140.
Sir, again, all these things should be asked in interview.
You should understand the basic concept. What is a monitoring tool? Okay.
Sir,
Do you know any monitoring tools like that? Simple. Like if you understand the concept, like I know the op manager, we can able to monitor the infrastructure like that. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, tell
sir,
me. Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Aman, tell me.
Yeah, sir. I wanted to ask you that will there what kind of a test will it be regarding the technical session? Will there be any tests or it will straight up be an interview?
Actually, it is interview, direct interview. After your version and voice and accent, technical interview is there, direct technical interview. Internally, they may conduct some test, but that is a different point. Okay. But now
So,
it is direct questions. But
so
if possible, I will try to put some test, normal test for our testing ourselves purpose. Okay.
okay, sir. For practice now.
Just for practice, for like we understand or not, like that, I can able to conduct some test.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, guys, when you are monitoring your infrastructure, not only op manager, different organizations use different type of monitoring tools like a Zabbix, Nagios. These are all different monitoring tools are available. So when there are monitoring, so there are different events will occur. Okay. Certain events are successful, clear events, successful events, informative events. But certain events are warnings, certain events are can be errors. So what these events, errors, or certain changes occur, it has to be notified to the people who are sitting in monitor as well monitoring as well as it has to be sometimes it required to turn up as a event. Sorry, incident to the service desk events incident. So how it will be sent? It is through alerts. So can you see there is a alert system? Okay. So this is alarms. How many alarms we received? how many are in a problematic. So obviously we can go to that problematic things. We'll try to analyze and try to resolve the issues. Okay. So it is going on, monitoring is okay. But when you see that red color, automatically you can able to understand, we can able to try to resolve the issues. So that is part is alert, a warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed or failure has occurred. Okay. So this is 2 points. Event and alerts. Events are when you are monitoring your infrastructure. So different events are occur. So then through monitoring system, you can see the events. Okay. And alerts, any threshold has been reached or some changes are occur or maybe failure is occur. So we can get those things through the alerting system or alarm system. But the action taken in the incident management only. What is this incident? What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services. Any issues occur, so obviously it is an incident only. Service is down. We can't able to access the website, for example, or you aren't able to log into the your server, or maybe you are unable to log into your email account. It is interruption to the services, right? So that it is comes under incident. In generally, some people say maybe it is a higher level, only it is occur, then only it is incident. It is not like that, guys. Incident can be calculated in a lower as well as higher level also. In both the ways, we can say. Server is down, or service is down, network is disconnected, disk is offline, VPN is disconnected, unable to connect to VPN, or unable to send or receive a new mails, unable to log in, and PC is not working, laptop is not working, internet is not working, internet is not connecting. These are all comes under the incidents only. When incident is occur, what we will do? Fix it. We'll do workaround. When incident is occur, what we will do? We're going to do the workaround. What is a workaround? So it's immediately try to resolve the issues. Temporary way of overcoming issues is called a workaround. Workaround is simply thing is when any incident is occur, so people will try to fix an issues. Okay, till issue is resolved. We try to resolve the issues. That is workaround. One issue is resolved, so we remove the workarounds. I added one point here. It is called a troubleshooting model and SPOC, KEDB kind of stuff. For you, I'm going to remove that one. Okay. Why I'm removing it? So I will add that thing into the last. Okay. So it will, I don't want to confuse with the lengthy kind of stuff. So that's the problem. Yes, next one is problem management. So what is incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services. Guys, understand what is incident?
Yes, sir.
What is problem management? Unknown root cause of one or more incidents. Any issues occur, that is incident only. Problem directly never happens. Okay. Any issues occur, it is an incident only. For example, a disk is become offline, or maybe a server is down. So it is an incident. What will happen when incident is occur? We'll fix it. Okay, we will fix the incident. The issue is resolved. That is. But sometimes the incident may occur again. Possibility incident may occur again. Or maybe after resolving the incident, you have to do some preventive measures. Preventive measures. So then that incident cannot be occur again. Okay. If in case the incident is occurred again, so we have to find out the root cause of incident. So then resolve that root cause so the issues won't be occur again and again. This is one point. Okay. Here it is, some more points. Okay, some more additional points I want to tell. So that is, what is the problem management is. So regular maintenance also comes under problem management. What is regular maintenance? It means providing cleaning kind of stuff, updating, patching. Okay, so your servers are there, you're regularly updating it. Okay, you have a laptop, so you feel I should not get a problems in future. What you will do it? You keep the laptop in a clean area, dust the laptop. Okay, update the your operating system and applications regularly. Okay, so removing temporary files or maybe uninstall the unnecessary applications, removing data from your PC. So you are maintaining your laptop, so then it can be run very longer time and issues will be the occurrence of issues can be become lesser. So that is also comes under problem management. Okay, so same thing in your infrastructure, you will maintain providing proper AC, cabling, uh, um, what we can say, proper patch management or updating the servers. Okay, checking regularly, monitor the server, what is the status of server right now. Okay, so remove any unnecessary kind of stuff. So that is comes under problem management. Okay, so finding of root cause means to, if you maintain daily, so the root cause of the issues can be reduces. So then issues, number of issues in future will be occurrence is become lesser. But still your issues occur, that is again incident only. Okay, so I have written some example based on few things. Okay, to solve problems you may require change management. What is a change management? So that we will see here it is. Updates, upgradations, and replacements comes under change management. For example, I have a server, so I have to upgrade my server disk capacity or RAM capacities. So that is upgradations. I have a server, I want to update the server. So my operating system should be updated, or maybe server application has to be updating, replacing, so that older RAM is not working, or maybe it is I want to replace with a new RAM. That is replacement. Upgradations, updations, replacements are comes under change management. To upgrade or replace, you have to check the compatibilities. I have a laptop with a 16 GB RAM. I want to add another 16 GB RAM. Is it there is a compatibility to add another 16 GB? That is important. I have a old desktop. I want to remove that old RAM and I put a new RAM. Is it compatible? That is also. And also check the dependencies. Guys, when you do changes, check the compatibilities. Check the dependency changes. If you do changes this one, you may require to change another things. Okay, that is also important. Test before apply any changes to make sure that, so if you change this one, so you don't get any issues because of this change. Why we need a change? Changes for make it betterment. I want to increase my RAM capacity, so then my system runs faster. I want to increase my disk capacity, so then I can store more data in it. So for better performance, I have to get it. Stable performance, I want to get it. So that's why I'm going for a change. Okay, to resolve certain issues. So I'm going to do certain changes. Okay, but after change, if you are getting issues, then problem, right? So test before applying any changes. Once any changes occurs, document it, inform in CMDB. Configuration Management Database. Configuration Management Database. CMDB means. Okay. So here I've given some example. I have a Windows 10 home in my laptop, for example. I want to upgrade to Windows 11 home. That is upgradations. Okay. I want to upgrade my RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB, or I want to add 8 GB to my laptop. Then it is become 12 GB. Is it compatible or not a compatible? Replacement of my processor with another processor. Increasing my internet capacities. Accessing permissions. Okay. So there is, I given some example in a personal way. Here it is. Guys, understand what is change and what is problem. What is problem? Unknown root cause of one or more incident. What is a problem management? Any incident is occurs. It is any issue is occur. It is an incident only. Okay, by maintaining of our infrastructure and by taking some preventive measures, by taking of preventive measures. Okay, so I will add this point here. By taking preventive measures. So occurrence of issues becomes less. Okay. So this is called problem management. Okay. So taking preventive measures. Okay. Regular maintenance.
So means sir, when the problems occur, we regularly see that is there any incident happening or not.
Yeah. When any problem occur means any issues occur. So that is incident only. Even though you do preventive measures, you got an issue, that is incident only. But you do regular maintenance, you take some preventive measures, or maybe based on the previous incidents, or maybe think of future incidents occurs, you do some preventive measures. That is called a problem management. So you do something for that to get same incident. Think like this: you have a bike. You may get some incident, right? So you are going on a bike, suddenly your bike is stop working. Okay. So why it is stop working? Maybe battery is weak, and maybe no petrol, maybe some ignition malfunctioning, right? Possibility is there, no? Maybe the chain or rubber, the motor engine related issues occurred. All of the sudden it is occurred. That is called incident. Understand? Understand the
Yes, sir.
example? Okay, that is incident. But to not get that incident, what you will do generally? Every 6 months, take the bike to the service. So what he will do? He clean up entire your bike and check all the engine functionalities. every 1,000 kilometers or 5,000 kilometers. So you run. So then you will go take into the service center, check any unusual sound noises is coming, remove the engine oil. Okay. So put a new engine oil in it. Okay. Check the brakes, check the clutches, right? Check the lights. Any parts has to be replaced, is going to be replaced, right? So that is, it's a regular maintenance. If you do it, there is a possibility of incident is occurring is become lesser. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are doing some preventive measures. So recently I took my scooty to the service center. So because my brake wires are loose. So earlier means 6 months before. So what happened? My bike is not turning left or right. Someone broken my handle. So why we were repaired it. So incident is occur, we repaired it, and now it is working fine. Okay, it is possibility like there is a problem will occur. So when it is you feel like when the issue is occur, so we'll go for incident management to avoid incidents. So better to do some preventive measures or regular maintenance with it. That is called so problem management. Okay. What is a change? Anything change like updates, upgradations, or replacements. It can be a infrastructure related, or maybe program related, or maybe database related. Okay, it is a change only. Maybe it is a service related. It is change. It can be update, upgrade, or replace related to your infrastructure, or maybe related to your application development, or maybe it is database related, or maybe it is internet related, or any service related is a change. Okay. So when you are doing this updates or upgradations or replacement, there is a things. Always check compatibilities there are not. Check for the dependencies and test before you are going to apply these changes. Of course, that process is also before that one there is a process. So one more point is there. That is again I will tell here. Okay. So whenever you any changes occur, compulsory you have to document it and CMDP. Change management in the organization is always crucial, guys. Very carefully we have to do this thing. So why it is telling? So here it is. Regular changes or normal changes kind of stuff. When you do updates, upgradations or replacements, you are doing it like on infrastructures, on applications or servers. Okay, any changes you are making it, you have to check the compatibilities, check the budget. For example, I want to increase my RAM capacity. So is it a 32 GB RAM is compatible with this server or not? Okay. Check the budget. Do you have that 32 GB RAM in your organization, or maybe 32 GB RAM means it is very costly. So can is organization want to put a money on it? What is advantage of that upgradations? Okay, upgradation. What is the advantage of that changes? Is a component availabilities. If you change this one, do you require to change any other things? Test before apply changes. Okay, then you have to apply to the CAB. What is a CAB? Change Advisory Board. Okay, this is a important point, guys. What is this important point is check the compatibilities, budgets, component availabilities, dependencies, test before applying changes. Okay, test before applying changes. Take permissions or discuss with a CAB. What is a CAB? Change Advisory Board. Who is this change advisory board? So people in the organization only. There are not separate people. There are people in the organization, like a maybe a project manager, a delivery manager, or maybe the client related person is there. So because when you are applying changes, it may affect on the service. For example, this is the what is this? It's a youtube.com, right? So they are going to change some code in the background of this youtube.com. So when they are applying this change, YouTube has to be go down for a certain time. You have to notify the client. So this from this time, this line to this time, the server is going to be down. So then because of some maintenance, you have to notify your clients from this point to this particular time period, the service is unavailable. That is called a planned downtime. That is called a planned downtime. What is a planned downtime? So you are informed to the clients from this particular period of time. So the service is unavailable. So you are notify them that is service is not available before you applying changes. After applying changes, again you have to test compulsory. So what is the change result? Is everything is working fine or not? You have to test it. Make sure that is service is running smoothly. What are the achievable you before you applying changes must be achieved or not? And plan for rollbacks. Plan for rollbacks. Not plain. Plan. What is plan for rollback? So in case your change is not working properly, so you have to go for a previous condition. Okay. Plan for a rollbacks and make sure no rollbacks. Okay. No rollbacks. Make sure no rollbacks. Or in case of failure, so you can able to roll back. So before that one only you have to plan properly. Okay. So that is the point here it is. And always update in the change management, CMDB. Document it and inform in CMDB. Okay. So this is what is the change management. When you are doing at infrastructure level or maybe application level or maybe it is a database level. Okay, when you are doing some changes, so you have to check the compatibilities, budgets, current availabilities, component availabilities, dependencies. One change may lead to another change. That is also you have to check it. Calculate planned downtime. Calculate planned downtime.
Sir, can you also write CMTP full form in the brackets?
Okay, definitely. Inform that information to the clients. Take permission or discuss with the CMDB. CMDB means configuration management data. Okay. So this is change. Okay. So what is this emergency change? So I have written emergency changes also there. Normal change or a regular changes. This is emergency change. Sometimes in emergency change, so for example, server is down and service is about to failure. So server is down, you have to fix it. So can you go and plan all these things, checking the compatibility? Of course, you have to check the compatibility, but budget and all a different point. So you have to take a discussion, take a time, 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, okay, for all the permissions. You cannot put a more time to do all these things. So what you will do? Okay. So what you can able to do it? So when some server is down, immediately you have to change something, like maybe you have to change the RAM, or maybe you have to change the processor, or maybe you have to change the cable, or maybe you have to change the switch. So then the connectivity be established. So immediately you have to do certain changes to resolve that issue. Okay, simple. I given an example, that is, for example, disk is failed. So what you will do? Remove the disk, replace the disk, verify, make sure it is working good, and notify to the CMDB and CAB. So then and document it. So this is an issue is occur. I replaced the disk and I verified. Now it is everything is working fine. And now this is the notification document. This is the issue, and this is how it is resolved. Okay. So what is emergency changes? In emergency changes, we don't do all the planning stuff for changes. What you will do? So we'll immediately react and do certain action immediately to resolve the issues. If you don't do it, it impacts on your business, impacts on your customers. If it impact on a customer means it impacts on your business also, right? If one server is down, the customer, the base, the one of the customer base may be getting a slow connectivity, slow application loading, or maybe no application connectivities. So obviously, the number of users will suffer because of the system failure. So if you wait for a discussion and we will do as soon as possible kind of stuff, so that is take more time, right? So immediately you have to find the solution, apply the solution. If required changes, do the changes. Then make sure it is working. You can inform to your CMDB, document this information into the CMDB, and as well as inform to the CAB. Okay. Understand, guys? Emergency change. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So we discussed about events, alerts, incident, problem management. So what is a problem management? And we discussed about a change. What is meant by change? How to do the change management. This is how to do the change management. In case of emergencies change required, what to do also we discuss. The another point is service request. What is a request? Service request means a client or a user or a customer asks for some information or advice or change of service or change of access, asking for a access to IT services. For example, I want to access the printer. I want to install Outlook and configure Outlook application in my system. I want to access VPN. I want to access my remote server through remote desktop application. Okay. So this is request, service request. I want a internet connectivity. I want a Wi-Fi connectivity. I want VPN access, printer access, database server access. I have to change my password. My password is already about to expire, but I cannot change. I do not have a right to change the password. I ask my administrator, ask service desk. In the service desk, system administrator is going to be change my password. Change of a service, upgradation of systems. This all comes under service request. Here I will note down few things. Here it is. You can also try what is the difference between service ticket and incident ticket. Find out what is a service request, what is a incident, what is the difference. Also, you can try to find it and read as many as an examples for it. A new employee requests for a Wi-Fi password. Service request management. So there is a some picture is also there. You can see. Try to you are also try, guys. The server is down. Office printer is breaks. A laptop that won't start. This is comes under incident examples. Okay. What is a service request? Requests are quite often low risk and in many cases they are easily avoided or even automated. Okay, so there is automate your customer service is given. Printer need to be relocated. Ordering upgrade hardware. Request for a training to use a projector. Okay, there are some given examples. So I like this one. That's why I'm try to go for this. Um, Now this is good. A new employee request for a Wi-Fi password. What is it? Service request management. New employee should given a Wi-Fi password attached to their onboarding email. That is a solution. Customer are not able to make payments due to the broken credit card swiping machine. The swiping machine got broken, not customer card. The swiping machine card is broken. It is an incident because that is a person has to maintain the swiping card. If the machine is old, it should be replaced or it should be vendor should be informed about the same. So yeah, you can tell the swiping card machine company. So that is your machine is down. So it is not working. Replace the new one. Internal employee contains that CRM of software is running slower than usual. If it is not running, then problem. It is running, but it is slower. So it is service request. So you have to, the IT team must raise a ticket with the software vendor and update the affected employees with about a same time. So you have to tell to the vendor who built that application, where you have brought that application. So go and purchase it. Okay. So compulsory guys in internet what are the search for a Google. So what are the different examples are available in a service request, okay, and incident management. Okay, I'm adding into your things. Okay, so always incident and problem differences, incident and service request differences are important with an examples. Here I note down some few things. Install and configuring Outlook. So I went to I'm a new employee. My Outlook has to be configured. Okay. So I reach service desk and ask for a Outlook configuration. So service desk person is going to install or guide me how to install an application either remotely or directly. So install Outlook and configure Outlook for me. That is service ticket. Outlook is not working. I have an Outlook. It is working yesterday. Today it is not working. Unable to send and receive emails. Then it is considered as a incident. So why a user is unable to send and receive? So we have to investigate. Change of password. I forget my password, or maybe my password is become older. I want to change my password. Service ticket. So send the information to system administrator is going to be change his password. I'll try to log into my things. My username is correct, password is correct, but something has happened at server level, so I don't know. So I raise the ticket, it is become instant ticket. My VPN, I need a VPN access service ticket. It is not working. Yesterday it is working, today it is not working. Incident ticket. I want a printer access. So service ticket. Printer is broken, not working, can't able to access. That is instant ticket. So same thing it is when the swiping card is not working. It is broken, not a card. It's a broken, the machine is broken. It is incident. Okay. Guys understand what is a service request and incident differences. Please, anyone? Guys, understand what is incident ticket, service ticket, and what is a service request?
Yes, sir.
At least read once or twice, okay? Or already shared videos, that two videos I shared here, right? So where it is? This thing. Service desk demo videos, two videos. Go through it so you can clearly understand what is the service ticket by live example. So tomorrow I will try because it's already 1 o'clock. So tomorrow also I will try to show how the ticket will be raised, how ticket will be communicated with some example. I will explain. I want to tell two points, 3 points. Okay, so then I may repeat these points again, but just listen once again. What is a SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. What is SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. Guys, anytime. So you have to do certain task. For example, you have to maintain a firewall, or maybe you have to check a system configuration, or maybe you have to install some application. Okay, so you have to follow certain step-by-step instructions to make it that possible, means make it that work. That is called a standard operating procedure. It is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by organizations. People who are working in an organization for longer period of time, or maybe the senior level people, what they will do, they will design SOPs for a help people easy to work. Okay, so what they will do, they create a SOPs to do certain tasks, like how to install some application, or for set up a server, or maybe to check the network, or maybe to set up a router, or maybe a switch, or maybe to set up a firewall kind of stuff. So they'll design SOPs so that just follow the SOP instructions to make it work very simple. Right? You want to create a virtual machine in the cloud computing. So we have to follow the instructions and do it, complete it. So that is make easier, make the people to carry out that works very easy way. So these instructions are designed. So that is called a SOPs. SOPs make people to achieve efficiently quality output, uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunications and failures. Rest, like I may do it, I know it, but sometimes I may miss certain point to complete that one. So I may miss in some configuration point. So then, as expected, results are not coming. That is possibility is there. So what I have to do? Follow the SOP. So this part is completed. Yes. This setup is completed. This is installed, correct? Yes. Step by step you do it. So it is automatically become more efficient way you can able to complete the task. So that is called a SOP. Yes, understand what is SOP?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not only working purpose, any issues occur, so you have to resolve that issues. For that one also, the COMSHA given 6 steps of troubleshooting model. Okay, so any issues occur, it is a common thing. If in organizations, they will tell how to resolve this type of issues in direct step-by-step or written manner. But here it is in the whole idea of the troubleshooting model is there. Identifying the issues, establish probable cause, test the theory, establish plan and implement solution, verify the fix and do preventive measures and document finding. What it is? So any issues occur, first of all, understand what is the issue, right? For example, printer is not working. So you identified that is you are unable to take a printer. Printer is not working. What is the cause? Maybe power is down. Maybe printer cartridge now is not working. Maybe settings of the printer is changed. Okay. Maybe the internally the power supply, maybe internally of a printer is damaged. Okay, so you have to establish different causes. So what exactly happened? It is not working means what exactly it is not working? Why it is not working? So what are the reasons it is not working? So that is establish probable cause. Test the theory. What you think? So exactly what you think. So because of this issues occur. So test it. So is it really causing this problem, or this is really causing this problem? Test the theory. Establish plan and implement solution. You have to plan how to solve it. Okay, so this is the thing. You have to replace this plug point, so then issue will be resolved. So plan, go and purchase a thing and implement it. Verify the fix. It means once issue is resolved, make sure that it is working, and issue should not be repeated. What to do? Do the preventive measures. And finally, document finding. What is the document finding? What is the issue, what causing this issue, and what is the implementation you have done to solve the issues. Is it working or not? Now, what are the preventive measures you have taken to to do not occur this issue again? So what are the preventive measures you have taken? That also should be in the document finding. Okay, so this is troubleshooting model. Once you have done, guys, again, there is a known error database, KEDB, known error database. What is the known error database? Any issues occur, and issue is find out what are the why it is issues occur, and will resolve the issue, and we do some preventive measures and document it. In organizations, they'll keep all these documents in CMDB and KEDB, known error database. So it becomes like I joined into an organization. So I joined newly into the 70s organization, maybe HCL organization, Tech Mahindra organization. So on the particular project. Okay. So what happened? What are the common issues? So what I will do, first I will go to the KEDB part of things. I will get that link in an organization. Okay. Service related link will be there. So I'll go to the KEDB. So what are the general regular issues? I will get it. Okay. So I will understand what are the regular issues. What are the solutions previous people are done. So what is which one is more effective solution? So I will read it. So now you may learn about one or two issues, how to solve it in a general manner. But in organizations, it depends upon the client, different types of issues will occur. Different types of issues will occur. So what you have to do it? So yeah, once you join into the organization, go through the document. What are the previous issues are occur? How it is resolved? So how to resolve these issues? Because there repetitive incidents will occur. So this KEDB is share the knowledge of what are the issues are occurred earlier, what is the solutions are made it, what is the more effective solutions, working solutions are there. So next time when you got any issue from the client, immediately you know the solution, so you can implement the solution like that. Okay, that is the help of KEDB. What is the KEDB? When you do this document finding, it goes to the database. With this help of database, it's very easy to understand what is an issue, why it is occur, how to solve it. Okay, what is an issue, why it is occur, and how to solve it. That is given from the KEDB. Not just when you got a complaint, before that one only, you have to try and to do that one. Guys, understand what it is? KEDB, troubleshooting model, and SOP. Hmm? What happened?